Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Big Dill without his mask. He's going to be in a pose with his arms coming out here, sort of clenched fists here. So let's go up to the top, let's draw the Big Dill head. So what I might do is from the top, go up to about here, just pop a little dot in, probably about that point. From there, what I'm going to do is just bring the pen down. Nice curve down there for the side of his head. And down there where his chain area will be. On this side, I'm going to curve it around the other way. So try and get that on camera. I'm going to come around this way. Bring the pen down this way. Like that, to where the chain area is there. So I've got that curved head effect there. Let's go in there to the center point here and just come over to the right a little bit. Just do a little half circle. That side, and then just going to do a little line along that, and that's like the top of his eye, like that. Then there's a little dark green brow just above it. That's just like a little curve like that. So just angling it a little bit to make him look that little bit angry, sort of got that menacing face on him. Come over to this side, sort of this sort of like a finger gap over to here. I'm going to draw the same thing in again, do a nice little sort of half curve going on there. Okay, so next up, just going to go in the head area here. I'm just going to draw this top of this brow. So I'm going to come up, curve it up a little bit, just make it menacing and back down. So it's got that kind of curve up at the edges there. Then finally in the middle, so go to the center there, come down to about here. And what I'm going to do is just draw in either side, little sort of slanted lines there. And then I'm going to do a little curve at the bottom. This is the mouth area. Curve at the top like that. And then just in there, there's just a hint of little teeth. So I'm just gonna just like dot just the edges there along there. So it just looks a little bit kind of maybe go all the way across, like just like menacing sort of look. Now I've got that bit, let's have a look at the rest of him. So he's got these chains going around him, and there's like a Big Dill D going on here. So let's get this in first. So we're gonna come all the way down center here to about this point. And what I can do is draw two lines here, 1, 2, and then these come down, just join them up like this, just come down a little bit. Then there's like the D element in the middle. So I'm gonna come out, down and across, and then come downwards this way. Then we're gonna come back out, down again and along. And then I'm gonna do two little lines like the top of here again, but at the bottom. So I've got one coming down here, and one here, like that, come back up. Then we're going to complete this D area. So bring your pen round and join up to this top area here. And then in the middle of that, I've got a little rectangular element to draw, like that. And then we'll draw another one there and just complete that D, so just sort of pipe it like that. And then we've got that D area in the middle. Coming off that are two chunky chains. So what I'm going to do, from the middle point here, just come up a little bit to about there. Just draw a nice curve to the edge of that neck. Do the same on the other side. So just gonna bring my pen along here, curve it around there. And then what I'm gonna do, just curve either side of that, like that. And then I'm gonna come back around to the edge of these bits. Actually, there's a little bit, I've not joined that up there. And across here. Then he's got another chain that comes a bit lower down to this point. So from here, just gonna bring my pen out. I'm gonna go join up to this line here, just continue that. Come out again, bring it around, curve it in there. Then on this side, same sort of thing. It's gonna come from the D area. Just gonna bring my pen out, curve it around, and then down like that. There we go. He's got those big old chunky chains on him. So next up, his torso comes down this way, but he's got these arms, elbows here, coming into the torso area, clenched fists. So on the right-hand side, shoulder's gonna be about this point here. Just gonna pop it out a little bit, come down to the elbow, and then bring my pen down to his wrist area here. On the inner part, probably need about this much width here. Just draw a nice little slightly curved line to his forearm there. Then I'm going to come down this way to the wrist area there. So So it comes out and inwards. The fingers, the hands are clenched. You can't really see the thumbs, so all we need to do for the hands is come outwards like that, and then you kind of see like 1, 2, 3 fingers that are clenched, and then bring it back around, return across there like that. Maybe there's a hint of the knuckles on the edge. On this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start here, a bit higher up. We're going to bring the pen out for the shoulder, come downwards here to the elbow. And then what we're going to do is bring the pen along here to the wrist area there. On this side, probably about there, I'm going to come around, just draw a curve into the forearm area there. And then this is going to come along to the wrist area about here. Okay, for the hand, just a little hint of a thumb on this end like that. And then underneath that, we can go 1, 2, 3, bring your pen around, and then just join it up, clip it up there, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, now I've got those in, I can draw the torso, the upper body and the torso area of this pickle. So it goes behind the hand area. So over on this side, I'm gonna bring my pen in, it kind of clips in a little bit, then it starts to taper outwards to the wrist area there. Then it continues underneath, so we'll go beyond or underneath the hand there. Bring it around here, curve it around. This is the underneath there to the leg. And then it kind of starts again, probably about here. So nice little curve up there to the hand. It would sort of continue behind and go up about here, curve up like that. There's a little curve here where the leg is, so I'm just going to draw a little curve like that to show the leg. And then I'm kind of freed up now to draw the legs, sort of little thin legs that come down this way. So they probably come to about here for the knee and then there for the heel. So what I'm going to do is go to about this point here, bring my pen kind of down like that. There's a knee there, so come out a bit, and then we're going to just go nice and straight with the pen to about there. And on this side, got the inner thigh, come in there with the inner knee, and then come out where the calf is, bring your pen down, curve down like that. On this side, it's a bit more sort of straight on profile, but his ankles are about here, so the leg comes down this way. So on the inner part, where we've got that gap, I'm gonna start on the edge there, gonna bring my pen in here to where the knee area is, sort of tapers in, then it comes out again, widens where the calf is, nice and straight down to here, bit of a ankle at the end. On this side, where that gap is, go to the end of your black line, nice curve for the upper part of the leg, bring it in, curve it out a bit where the calf is, and then the shin area is about there. Okay, so you've got these two long legs like that. Just got the feet to do. This foot's coming out this way, probably comes to about here. So the top area from that point, that black line there, just bring your pen down this way, curve it around like that, go back to the heel, and then we'll just sort of join up like that. On this side, it's a bit more straight on. So I'm gonna come down to about here. So it's tapered in there where the heel is, but it comes right out about there. Comes down where the sort of toe area is, out this way, and up like that. Cool, okay. Just gonna go around the character, just gonna beef him up a bit. So I'm just gonna draw a nice sort of chunky outline on him. I think he deserves that, Big Dill. Just enhance those lines by drawing over nice and carefully around your figure. And these little chain areas, we can just make them pop a little bit more. Again, where the shoulder is, we can just go around that area there. Come down those leg areas like that. Just makes our character pop. Got this leg here. Heel area about there. And then we've got arms there, so we've got one there. Cool. Maybe just pronounce the hands out a little bit. Those clenched fists. Like that. There we go. Got a nice sort of outline on him now. A few little lines in going on, given the idea that he's a pickle. So sort of those Big Dill lines, we're just gonna bring a few little swiggly, like little lines around him, just to give him that like effect. You know, it works pretty good. Around there, just need to do it really around the body part there. Maybe just going up to the head area. And then what we've got this chain area. All I need to do is some nice little, like little curves going on all the way along these chains. Like that, and then across here. And then they kind of go up this way. Around there like that. Just on this D area, maybe we just need to just make this pop a little bit, just go around, just outline it a little tad. Just give it that pop as well. We'll colour that in like a gold colour. There we go. That is Big Dill without the mask. Hope you like what you see. Let me know who else to draw from Fortnite Lawless, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.